afternoon, Internet. It's KB from Zero Declination. I'm standing here with another 2020 CampX. This camper has 200 watts of solar up top, as well as a brand new roof and fabric, which means both are upgraded to the newer style. It's a really nice triple layer waxed canvas with a one-piece extrusion around the roof. Inside, all the standard equipment, including a Redarc Manager 30, Truma heat and hot water, Dometic 2-burner stove, sink of course, king-size bed, Dometic 65-liter built-in refrigerator, a 150 amp hour lithium battery down in the battery compartment there, and of course all the beautiful windows and all the light inside these things. This one's in great shape and it's ready to go for the summer.